I'm Jesse Jackhammer, and welcome to this tables match. It's Jesse Jackhammer versus Psycho Jess. This is gonna be an absolute banger match here tonight, folks. Jesse Jackhammer's beating us holy baloney out of Psycho right now. Leg drop. Hits the leg drop. Goes outside the ring. Picks up the table. Puts the table in the ring. Psycho's not doing anything right now. He just standing there. Fisherman suplex. Jesse Jackhammer picks up the table now. He hit, he wanted to hit him, but he missed. He picks up the table again. And Psycho's he dropped out of his hands. Oh, clothesline by Psycho. Down he goes. Jesse Jack picks up the table. He sets it up. Psycho Jess now is in trouble. Into the table he goes. He hoists him up for a suplex. And he puts him right through it. Here's your winner, Jesse Jackhammer. I'll see you guys when I get back from vacation. Bye for now.